How to listen music on Spotify together. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store and install the Spotify on your device. If you have already installed Spotify on your device, then you can just create your own account by logging on with your Facebook, Google, or creating your account by Gmail account. So if you have already created it, then you can simply go on the search bar and search for any song that you want to. So let us suppose that if I search for this song right here and I want to play this song, then when you click on the three vertical buttons right here, you will see many options. Since I don't have premium, so I will not see the plus sign which says me to listen the music together with group. You can create a group and you can listen the music together from there. But even though you don't have premium, what you can do is click on the share button. And after clicking on the share button, just copy the link and you can even send it to WhatsApp, Facebook, stories, post, or in SMS as well. You can copy the link and send in Instagram and in other app as well. So this is how you can listen the music together on Spotify. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then thumbs up and subscribe our channel.